give this certificate of appreciation. I request our guest speaker to please stand. The Constitution School Incorporated of the Awesome College Church. Certificate of appreciation. This certificate is given Fire Officer 3. I will be Sajay Amara, in grateful recognition of your Baltimore commitment and dedicated service in God's ministry as the guest speaker during the 17th closing exercises of the Constitution School Incorporated with the theme, Generation of Unity, Partners for You Philippines. Given this 31st day of March 2025 at the Pasig College Church of the Port of Pasig sa Baltimore, Philippines. Signed by our beloved Chairman, Mrs. Isabel J. Hernandez, and Ms.